This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia, Detroit, Michigan, and the rest of Michigan's getting an ice storm on Sunday. And supposed to be a lot of freezing rain in Detroit, Michigan. People in Detroit, be prepared. Supposed to be a lot of ice, rain, and freezing rain, and a lot of tree branches and telephone poles will be turned to ice, and telephone poles will be snapped in half because a lot of freezing rain is going to happen in Detroit on Sunday, January the 27th, 2013. People in Detroit, be prepared for major ice storm on Sunday, January 27th, 2013. People in Detroit, order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Have your 3G internet ready. Have your iPads charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your flashlights, candles ready. And have your extra batteries ready. Have your crank up radio ready, because the ice storm is going to be very bad on Sunday in Detroit, Michigan. People in Detroit, be prepared. Be very careful driving down the streets, especially the Interstate Highways. There will be a lot of freezing rain in Detroit, Michigan, Chicago, Illinois, Wisconsin, Indianapolis, Indiana, Cleveland, Ohio, Erie, Ohio. The people in Chicago, be prepared for a major ice storm. And Detroit's getting a lot of freezing rain. And roads will be real icy. And if you don't want to drive, don't go driving or get in a car accident. Be very careful driving in the freezing rain in Detroit, Chicago, Cleveland, Indianapolis, Wisconsin, Ohio, state of New York, because a lot of freezing rain is hitting Detroit on Sunday, January 27th, 2013. Transformers will be snapped in half. Tree branches will be snapped in half as well from the freezing rain. It's going to be a silver top in Detroit. Best of luck to you. People in Detroit, be prepared for a major ice storm on Sunday, January 27th, 2013. It's not just for people for Detroit. It's for Chicago, Cleveland, Wisconsin, Indianapolis, Indiana, Ohio, state of New York. Good luck and stay safe. People in Detroit, be prepared for ice storm on Sunday. Good luck.